Here we prepares all kind of Africa and intercontinental dishes. Stay with us and remain blessed.
Hello beautiful people, hope you all are doing great. Welcome to my kitchen. Good to see you again. Today let's make this yummy and mouth-watering egusi pepper soup, and I know you will definitely love this recipe. So without further ado, let's dive right into the cooking.
One more taste to see it through. Share this meal from me to you.
So here is my chicken, and I'm gonna wash this chicken properly. You can go ahead to use any protein of choice, and after that I'll cook this protein and I'll set that aside. In my pot I'll be adding in my blended egusi, also known as melon, and I'll add in my chicken stock. So I'll add in more chicken stock. Remember, we are cooking pepper soup. Okay, so I'll go ahead to add in my seasoning powder, my blended peppers, and I'll stir everything together to combine nicely. So this is like you cooking pepper soup, but there is egusi in it. Okay, if you have not tried this recipe, try it, you definitely love it. Next, I'll add in my onion, I'll add in stockfish flakes, and I'm gonna stir everything together beautifully. Feel free to use any protein of choice. So I'll go ahead to cover the pot and I'll allow this to boil very well. See, this egusi, I'm gonna cook it for a very long time, because for me, I do have a running stomach with egusi, so anytime I'm cooking it, I'm gonna cook it for a very long time. After stirring, I'll cover and I'll cook. I'll come back again, I'll stir, I'll cook to avoid it from burning, but I'm gonna cook it for a long time till I am satisfied with the egusi soup. So I'm going to stir everything properly to combine. Thank you amazing people for always coming back to watch me. I truly appreciate all your support, and I'm not taking your love for granted. And if you're coming across my video for the very first time, hello, you're welcome here. Here we make amazing recipe that you will love. Please don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and drop your comments at the comment section. I'll be so glad to respond to your comments. Okay, so let's continue cooking. So this is the protein I'm going to be using, and I'll transfer my protein back into my pot. I'll also add in my cow skin and I'll stir everything together. See, at this point my pot was fighting with my soup. So I'm gonna stir it gently so it will not overflow, and because it's so thick, it's splashing up and down. Like, you have to be very careful because this soup can splash. Okay, so I've been cleaning. The splashing is much, so be careful while stirring. As I said, I'm gonna be cooking this over and over again until I'm okay with it. Okay, and let's continue cooking. If you have not tried this recipe, go ahead to try it, and you will definitely love this recipe and you will come back to thank me. And if you have tried it, which swallow do you think is the best? Okay, or will go with this soup the most? Let me see your comments in the comment section. So this is how my soup is looking like now, my final look. See, this soup tasted so good that you wouldn't want to miss this soup. So go ahead to try this soup, and I'll see you in my next video. From me is bye.
Nancy Ogbebor TV, let's go. Welcome to the kitchen. Come and cook with me. Tasty little wonders on your screen for free. From grandma's pot to something new. Spicy, rich, and fresh for you. Chop it, mix it, make it shine. Add some love in every line. One more taste to see it through. Share this meal from me to you. Stir it, fry it, cook it well. Every recipe has a story to tell. Easy steps, flavor so true. On Nancy Ogbebor TV, I'm cooking with you. Stir all for you. Sizzle in the pan now, color on the plate. Simple, quick, and cheerful. You don't have to wait from early breakfast to late night stew. Every show's a seat for you. Slice it, season, let it glow. Follow me and take it slow. One more pinch, the flavor's true. Set the table, join the crew. Cook along, don't watch alone. Turn your kitchen to a happy home. Sing it loud, you already know. Nancy Ogbebor TV.